Pour your grow well potting medium into the microgreens tray. Spread the seeds evenly across the potting medium, ensuring they are not overlapping or crowded. Lightly cover the seeds with a thin layer of potting medium, typically 2 to 3 mm deep. Maintain moisture by misting the seeds daily until they sprout. This usually takes 2 to 3 days. Place the tray in a dark place and cover using the lid provided to maintain moisture. It will take 7 to 14 days before harvesting. To harvest your microgreens, snip the base of each stem around 1 to 2 cm above the potting medium. Store the harvested microgreens in a sealed container and place inside the refrigerator. This can last up to a week.